Hi there, Dale. My name is Marcy Hutton, and I spoke with you a while back in regards to shooting a custom video for you about your business. So here I am doing that. Now what I'm going to show you in this video is 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now you're most likely asking yourself, why in the world would she be doing this and what's in it for her? But when it comes to internet marketing, most business owners are too busy running their business to learn how it can actually work to their benefit. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring somebody is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So what I found is by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those business owners still raising their hand and saying, I like you, please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you like what you've heard and you can see that I have a few tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, then we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take the free tips that I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me too. So the 3 things that I'm going to go over are content, citations, and backlinks. So what I mean by content is all of the information that you have with images, with the words that you have throughout your website, and particularly on your homepage. Google likes to see 1,000 to 1,500 words on a homepage. Reason for this is, when they come across a site, the first thing they do is they go in there and they crawl it. What they're trying to figure out is what information is this site putting onto the internet. So if it's a service, then of course they want to know what it is that you offer, what services you offer, and what location are you offering them. Because when somebody types something into the search browser, they want to be able to match that and give them the most relevant results. What's in it for them? They make money by people being on their search engine, so they don't want them to leave. So that's their reason for liking, really wanting to have the more content. When they go out and crawl, let's say they come across one site's got a couple hundred words and the next one's got 1,500, they're going to see the one with the 1,500 words of content as being the expert in the market. Therefore, they're going to reward them for that and put them up higher in the search results. So that's something you could definitely do. You've got an opportunity there if you wanted to add. I'm just going to take a look at your picture here too. So the picture, BC Natural Gas Fireplace, repair, right on, at least you've got some keywords in there. A lot of times the pictures are just, make sure they're all, so see, like with that one, home fix staff one, you could name these pictures just the same because it's what's going on in the back end, and Google can't see, the Google bots can't see, but they read everything. So all 4 of those pictures are another opportunity where you could put in keywords. These images too, because they say the same thing. So all of those images can be named, just again communicating with Google about what it is that you do. So I'll move on to citations. What a citation is it is a place on the internet where you're going to find your exact business name, address, and phone number listed. 411, Yellow Pages, a Yelp listing, any of those directories, there's thousands of them. So by having your business cited throughout the web all over the place, it does a couple of things. It lets Google know you're legit. They crawl the web, they see you all over the place, and it contributes to moving up higher in positioning for your maps listing. Now your maps listing does fall in line with ranking organically on the first page, so all of these 3 things kind of work together, but definitely getting yourself into as many directories as possible is going to help to have you be more visible. Now down here we call this the organic section, and that's going to lead me to backlinks. And first of all, to explain to you what a backlink is is when a third-party site on the internet links to your website. And the simplest way to just explain this so it makes sense to you is, if you think of the internet as a big popularity contest, when another site on the internet votes for you, aka gives a link to you, that in Google's eyes is then going to push you up in the search engines, because they see that you're getting attention from other sites, so they see you as the popular one, so they'll push you up in the search results for that. Now what I've done, so we can find out where you're at, because it's behind the scene things, as I put your site into this tool called Ahrefs so that we can see what you've got going on for a backlink profile. And then I also grabbed the number 1 site on the first page there and put it into the same tool so we can see, you know, that's how you kind of go about this. If you want to beat your competitors, is you just figure out what they're doing and you do more. So it shows me that you've got 9 other websites on the internet that are linking to yours, giving you 27 backlinks. You're being found for about 37 words, so that's where that content comes in. And you're getting about 6 visitors, 6 traffic to your site, clicking on your site a month. Now that one in the #1 position, they've got 57 other sites linking to theirs. They're being found for just over 500 words, and they've got about 118, you know, a little over 100 visitors to their site each month. So that's how this works. And then just to clarify, it's not just sheer numbers when it comes to backlinks, and they're not all created equal, and quality is always going to dominate over quantity. You know, you want them to be relevant. You don't want, you know, crappy sites to be linking to yours. You want reputable sites that have been on the internet for a while, that they have trust from Google, all those types of things. But if you wanted to beat out your competitors, those are the 3 main things that you would need to do in order to have that happen. So I'm going to email this off to you, Dale, and I will follow up. I want to make sure that you do receive it and you have an opportunity to watch it. And I would love to hear any feedback you have for me. So we'll talk to you soon.